Dear Dr. Watt, I hope my letter finds you well in Germany. I've been inspecting a device, not too dissimilar from yours, I believe. I hope my findings can contribute to our greater cause. Upon deeper study, I've unveiled the LFP battery. My research indicates a lifespan of approximately 3,000 cycles before dropping to 80%, with a mind-boggling 10-year lifespan. The inverter has fascinated me. With a bidirectional design, it combines input and output, meaning it is smaller and lighter. It also means that there's no need for a large adapter for charging, but only a small, compact cable. It also seems to be wrapped in a black paper, which, based on my experiments, helps with cooling and decreasing noise levels. I've found the brain to the solar charging operation, the MPPT, or maximum power point tracking. It detects the voltage generated by the solar panel in real time, tracking the maximum voltage current value for optimal power output to charge the battery. That's not all. There seems to be a smart battery protection system in place, the BMS. This device helps extend and maximize the battery life. It is helping with overvoltage, overloading, overtemperature, short circuit, low temperature, low voltage, and overcurrent. Your studies have been instrumental in my research here in the US. Thank you for all of your hard work, my dear friend. I believe we are getting closer to our goal. Yours truly, Professor Edison Green.